Hi, everybody. I wanted to give you a quick note about a change to our course project. This is what I propose. I think it will add some clarity for you and some greater learning around ops management. I've had in the past with the course project some confusion with students. It falls predominantly near the end of the course project around redesigning ops management. And we all know ops management is not a process. So what I would like to do is get us focused on a single core process. Now I've put the announcement in to your course shell, and I wanted to offer this brief note of explanation and clarity for you. What you'll see in our my proposed change to the course project is everything pretty much stays the same up until about week 5. What I want to do is in week 5 is to get you to pick out a core process in your business. And we'll focus for the rest of the course project on that single core process. I've given you an explanation in the course shell, but basically, what is a core process? Well, think of it like this. A core process is really, if you will, kind of the meat of the business. It will cut across all the functional areas. Since many of you are in banking, let me give you a quick example of processes in banking. You could say, as an example, a work process may be, I get a report in, I review the report, I check for accuracy, I log it in, and I file it away. That's a work process. A core process, cutting across all the functions of banking, is something that is a core business of the bank. Let's say, as an example, lending. You know that the lending process goes all the way from identification of a target market, getting customers in, going through the analysis, making the lending process itself, all the way to closing out the loan. So a lending, I would suggest to you, is a core process of banking. So to add, again, clarity to the course project and to enhance your learning around ops management, let's single out in whatever industry you're in and whatever business you're in, identify a single core process that stands out for your company. What makes your company most competitive? What are you known for? We'll focus on that process. Week 5, what will we do? Describe it, map it, analyze that process. All right, now, in week 6, you'll see it's changed, but what we've done is week 6 was when the final project would be in. What I'd like to do is give you even more time to work on that final report. So all I did was move week 8 assignment up to week 6. Week 8 was terms. It's identify some basic ops management terms. So it's relatively an easy week. So we'll move week 8 up to week 6. All right. Week 7 you have unchanged. Now it is in week 8 that you'll now turn in your final course project. What will it be? Everything that you turned in, I've reviewed and given you feedback in weeks 1, 2, and 3. What is that basically? Your introduction, something about your business, that's all in week 2 and 3. What business are you in? Week 5, this is where you'll start to describe your core business, map your core business, analyze your core business. That, of course, when you get my feedback and revise it, will be in your final course project report. Now, new in week 8, what will you do with that information that you've analyzed your core process? If you take a look at the course announcement, you're going to see, what do we want to do? Give us a general overview of the course process change? How would you change it to improve it? If you've mapped it, you've described it, you've mapped it, you've analyzed it, you know where you would like, if you will, kind of tweak it, to change it, to improve it, to make it even stronger. That you'll want to describe in week 8. Project management. If you say, well, I would like to change a core process, under what management program would you do it? Any sort of project management has an end objective, milestones, timelines, responsibilities. So map out a basic project management schedule by which you would work to change that core process. All right? And that is basically it. I'll give you a couple of new readings that will enhance the information that you have already around these areas. I'll give you a new article in week 5. I'll give you a new article in week 8. As a matter of fact, they're attached to this announcement. I highly recommend, go ahead, download those, copy them, go ahead and read them. Well, basically, that is it, guys. If you have any questions, have any concerns, have any problems, if you want to chat with me, I'd be happy to. Drop me a note, give me a call. And if I don't hear from you, I'll see you online.